are going to start with the equivalent fraction. Now what is equivalent fraction? Now you can see the figure here, square. All the partitions shaded are same. Okay, here all the figures, square and circles shaded are same. Okay. अच्छा, अब इसमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? ओके, 1/2 शेडेड पार्ट इक्वली रहना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे फर्स्ट फिगर हम लोग देखेंगे. हाउ मेनी टोटल पार्ट्स? 2 टोटल पार्ट्स एंड शेडेड हाउ मेनी? 1. सो इट इज 1/2. ओके, अब शेडेड पार्ट हम ऐसे भी रहने देंगे और हम उसके पार्टीशन करेंगे. ठीक है, दिस तरह से, लाइक दिस. ओके, दिस तरह से. सो हियर now how many total parts here in both the figure? Total part is 4 and how many shaded part? 2. So here it is 2/4. Clear? Now let us move to the another figure. Here we are making 3 partition, the total 6 are there and here like this. Okay, shaded half part है ही सही, लेकिन हमने partition कितने कर दिए? Total 6. Total in both the figure how many total parts? 6. How many shaded? 3. Okay, clear? Next figure. Here what we are doing? Let us do it. How many total parts we have done? 8. Okay, so here also we will do 8 parts. Okay, in both the figure total 8 parts are there and shaded how many are there? 4. And here also 4 are shaded. अच्छा, सभी फिगर में जो शेडेड पार्ट है वो सारे इक्वल है, आधा आधा पोर्शन ही है, लेकिन पार्टीशन हमने अलग अलग कर दिया है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज वे दे आर इक्विवेलेंट. अब हम नंबरिंग फॉर्म में देखेंगे. अब ये हमें आंसर 2/4 कब मिलेगा? जब हम 1/2 में मल्टीप्लाई 2/2. ओके, सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 2/2, 2 is a numerator and 2 is a denominator, both are same. Numerator and denominator both are same. तो हमने जब 2 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, we are getting 2. 2 into 2 we are getting 4. Okay, same way when we multiply 1/2 and 1/2 by 3. Okay, when we multiply 1/2, again your numerator and denominator are same. So what we are getting here? 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, same way when we multiply 1/2 by 4 and 4. So here both the side 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. So whenever the question is there, so what is the equivalent fraction for 1/2? So what will be your answer? 1/2 multiply by 2 into 2. Okay, so that is 2/4. 1/2 multiply by 3/3. That is 3/6. 1/2 into 4/4. That is equal to 4/8. So these all are the equivalent fraction for 1/2. Clear? Our next topic is like fraction and unlike fraction. Now what are like fraction? Like fraction are the fraction whose denominator, here whatever the denominator is same. So it is suppose the group of fraction is there 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. So here you can see that the denominators are same. So this type of fraction are called like fraction. And what are unlike fraction? Unlike fraction means the fraction in which denominators are different. Okay, here suppose here it is 5/3, 3/7, 5/8, 6/11. So here you can see that the denominators are different, therefore they are called unlike fraction. Right? Next topic is simplest form of fraction. Now whenever the fraction is given, suppose here it is 10/15. ओके, अब ये फ्रैक्शन दे रखा है. ठीक है, अब सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म तब होगा जब उसका न्यूमरेटर, हियर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर हैव नो कॉमन फैक्टर एक्सेप्ट 1. मींस 1 उसका लास्ट कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए. मींस 1 एंड इटसेल्फ. मींस द आंसर जो भी है वो प्राइम नंबर में आना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद. Clear? So suppose we take example over here that it be 10 upon 15. Okay, so अब इसका हम लोग simplest form कैसे करेंगे? Okay, now everyone know the method of division method. Okay, least common multiple method everyone know. So prime factorization method we will take here. So we have 10. So 2 into 5 is 10 and 5 into 1 is 5. So factors of 10. What do you got the factors of 10? 2 into 5. Okay. Now next for 15. So 3 into 5 is 15. 5 into 1 is 5. So what are the prime factorization? We have 3 into 5 for 15. Now here for 10 upon 15 we can write here 2 into 5 for 10 and 3 into 5 for 15. Now here we can cancel both 5 and 5. So what we have getting last? 2 upon 3. So simplest form of 10 upon 15 is 2 upon 3. Okay. Or we can say that when we divide, or we can say that 10 upon 15. Okay. When we divide both the numerator and denominator by same number, that is 5. Okay, what we are getting here 2 and here it is 3, and these both are prime numbers which have the factor that itself and 1. Okay, so this is the simplest form of the fraction. Let us take one another example. 60 upon 70. Okay, this is another example. Now what you will do here, directly you can see here that it is 60 and 10. So directly you can divide both the number by 10. Okay. So what you will get here? Here you will get 6 and upon 7. So any more you can divide or more you can have the simplest form? No, because 7 is a prime number. So 6 upon 7 is the simplest form for 60 upon 10. Let us take one more example, that is 18 upon 27. जिसको ये मेथड हार्ड लगती है वो डायरेक्टली प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन डिवीजन मेथड है वो फॉलो कर सकते हैं. सो 18 2 into 9 is 18, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, so what we got for 18, what are the factors here? 2 into 3 into 3, and for 27 what you will have? 3 into 3 9 and 3 into 3 1. So we will have for 27 3 into 3 into 3. So here we can cancel 3 3 3 3. So what here we are getting at last 2 upon 3. So the simplest form of 18 upon 27 is 2 upon